In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wix FAQ app to your site, a fantastic feature that will enhance your website and help your visitors find the information they need with ease. Let's guide you through this process and ensure your FAQ section is tailored perfectly to meet the needs of your audience. To get started, you'll first need to add the Wix FAQ app from the Wix App Market. This is a pretty straightforward process. Begin by opening your Wix editor, where you'll see the menu on the left side. Here, look for the option that says Add Apps and give it a click. This action takes you directly into the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of apps ready to enhance your site. Use the search bar at the top to type in FAQ app. Once it comes up in the search results, click on Add to Site. The FAQ app will now be part of your site's editor, ready for you to customize and mold into a perfect fit for your site's needs. Now, let's move on to customizing the information displayed. To do this, find the app within your editor and select it. Next, click on Settings, which will display several different customization tabs. Click on the Display tab first. Here, you have the flexibility to customize the title of your FAQ section as well as the search bar. Simply navigate to the areas labeled Title and Search and input your desired text. As you move forward, you'll see options under FAQs and Categories. Customize this section to choose exactly what content you want your visitors to see. It's a good idea to consider adding a social sharing component to your FAQ. Under the Social section in the Settings menu, there are checkboxes for various sharing options. Enable these to allow your users to share FAQ content easily, thereby increasing the reach and utility of your answers. Next, let's focus on customizing the layout of your FAQ app. Go back to your app selection in the editor and click on Settings again. Proceed to the Layout tab, where you can adjust how your FAQ is presented on the page. This tab is really about making sure the structure of the information is clear and user-friendly. Play around with the settings here to find the layout that works best for your content. Once that's done, head over to the Settings tab by selecting the FAQ app and clicking Settings in your editor. Inside this tab, you'll find broader adjustments that impact the overall functionality of the app. Feel free to explore these settings to ensure everything is just how you want it. Finally, let's give your FAQ a design makeover. Once more, select the app and click Settings, then move into the Design tab. This is where you can really make your FAQ section visually appealing. Here you can customize elements such as the header, background, and individual questions and answers, allowing you to align the appearance of your FAQ section with the rest of your site's aesthetic. And that's it. You now know how to add and customize the Wix FAQ app to not only provide comprehensive answers to your site visitors, but also to ensure that the app is a seamless part of your online presence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing.